This video is all about resetting a password of your computer, whether you have installed Windows 7 or Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I'll be showing you how you can reset it without deleting or removing any files. Okay, let me enter the enter button without entering password. So it is saying the password is incorrect. Try again. Let me enter some password and still it is wrong. Watch the part 1 video to make USB and insert in computer. Press the power button and press F12 for the boot sequence. Press the F12 button for the boot sequence, as you can see written here. This is different for different laptop and computer. So you need to select USB. You can use arrow button to go up and down USB storage and press enter. So when you do that, this here in boot ISO file or the Ventoid tool will start. So you can continue here. Okay, so it is loading. As you can see, this is loaded. So in your computer also, laptop also, it will be loaded like this. Press enter button and you will see these options. You need to go for normal boot mode. Press enter. The simple way it will load. Now it will take few minutes, 1 or 30 seconds also. Loading is almost finished now. Let's wait for a few seconds. After loading, it looked like Windows 10 and it is starting now. Let's wait for the screen to come up. Okay, this is the screen. This is also initializing, so let's wait for a few seconds. It takes time based on your PC's performance and laptop performance. So after loading, it looked like a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer or laptop. You can see the screen like this. Okay, after loading, you have to go to this start button and press this all program. Click on this all program. From all program, you need to go to only one thing, that is security. And you can see this option here, passwords. And from here also you need to go to this option, Windows login unlocker. So click on that. Now it will display you the users whichever is available in your computer. As you can see, guest user, this one. So you can either click here in this reset or unlock, or you can right click on this name, guest user, whichever the user you want to reset, and click on reset password option. Click on it. It is saying to reset, okay, and user password reset, okay. And you can see here this password field is blank. Now your guest user password is reset successfully. Now what you need to do, you need to just close this one and shut down this ISO Eren boot 1 Ventoy 1. Shut down this and remove the USB drive, and your computer will start normally and you can log into your guest account without entering password. You can see here guest user and it is saying welcome without entering a password. So password is reset successfully. You can log in without entering password now.